Hello friends. Today we will show you wireless token calling systems by SEWACall. We have two display models as shown here. The below one shows 3 tokens at time. The upper one shows 1 token at time, and tokens keep rotating every 5 to 7 seconds with a sound reminder. They find major use in food courts, OPDs, ticket counters and other places. Let's dive into working of same. First options is a keypad caller is used to call the token number. Check out the token calling examples here. The display at left shows 3 tokens at most. The display at the right will keep rotating the tokens every 5 to 7 seconds with a ding-dong. Also, the F2 key can be used to clear respective numbers from the token displays. Second option is a quick keypad caller. You can make the desired number using the given keys, and once you leave the keys, the call is automatically done after 2 seconds. You can use the keys logically to make any number ranging from 1 to 999 using this device. You can increment or decrement the ones, tens and the hundreds using these keys. Third option is to call the token from the browser of your POS or any computer machine. You can log to token.sewacall.com and call the numbers you want to. Next and previous numbers can be directly called using plus and minus keys respectively. Also, our token display systems are smart enough to be configured with different keypads for one-to-one calling, enabling multiple systems to be used at one place. Example here. The left display shows token calls from the left keypad only, and right display from the right keypad. They do not interfere with each other's tokens. So guys, hope you got a better insight and understanding of SEWA token display systems. You can get in touch with us by visiting our website at jupinnovations.com. Also, you can email us at demo@jupinnovations.com. You may message or call us at 918010729729 as well.